Hi guys, Harrison here from LED Torch Shop, here with another Lumentop. They are just the kings of bringing out really cool small lights, I reckon. This is no exception. This is the PK27 double AAA light. Don't know if you can see Action Man behind me. He's got one in his hands. If you can zoom in there. If not, bad luck. Really cool light. Now it's got the same sort of profile as the GT Nano, which you can see here, but just a little bit longer and a little bit wider sort of body as well to accommodate the two AAA. So it kind of sits at the tall end of the scale between the GT Nano Pro and the PK27. So just a really excellent light. I mean, it can run off nickel metal hydride, it can run off rechargeables, alkalines as well. So clicky on and off at the back, maximum 300 lumens, but I've done enough rambling. I'll get into what you get in the pack and then we can dive straight into sort of the specs of the light. Da-da-da-da. Now obviously you get your PK27, so I'll give you a close up of that thing because it is a pretty awesome light. I mean, it's got all the characteristics of a big light, just all packed into a tiny little package. And then Lumentop packaging, you obviously get your user manual. So definitely worth a read of that user manual. Like always, get to know your light before you use it. Outputs and runtimes and everything like that. Couple spare O-rings included, and you get a lanyard included as well. So pretty stock standard stuff, but it's nice to know they obviously include it. No batteries included with this one, so you're going to have to go out and get your own alkaline or your rechargeable AAA batteries. But into sort of the light, now it is running off a Osram KWCSL MN1 TG LED. So that is a mouthful, but yeah, really nice LED for throw I've found. Those Osram chips seem to just do a really good distance LED, and this one being no exception. Maximum of 300 lumens, but it can get out there 270 meters distance and quite a nice decent profile as well. It does have a good hotspot for such a tiny light, kind of like the GT Nano. How impressive that is. It's sort of going to get maybe a bit longer run times out of this one, just being the sort of bigger battery capacity you could potentially use. Just a fantastic little light. Heaps of heat sinking. Yeah, just all the characteristics of a big light, but just in a nice, cool package. So it's IP68 rated, waterproof rating, and it is 1.5 meters drop resistant. It's coming in just a smidge under 40 grams, which is just incredible. Tiny little light. My hands are pretty big and sort of just a bit bigger than that. So it's coming around about 13.5 centimeters long. Skinny as all get out, and yeah, just a really cool light to have in your pocket and to show your friends, because this thing is going to beat them out. Comes in at a really good price too. It has got 3 modes. So you got the low mode around 5 lumens output, and you're going to get sort of on the alkaline or the nickel metal hydride batteries, we'll just go off those ones, about 72 hours runtime, which is huge. Jump up to your medium mode, you got 40 lumens, and you're going to get about 17 hours runtime on that, which is absolutely, yeah, more than enough light and sort of output runtime for such a tiny little light. And then you jump up to your 300 lumens and you're getting about 20 minutes runtime on that nickel metal hydride battery. So yeah, heaps of functionality and heaps of runtime. Sort of 20 minutes is pretty long for such a little light. And to switch through them, it's either a click on off, or you can do those sort of half press, so not all the way down, and it'll just cycle through those modes. Now, if you are going to use the alkaline batteries, you are going to get sort of 80 hours runtime on that 5 lumens output, 11 hours runtime on that sort of 40 lumens, and then you're going to get 42 minutes runtime on that 300 lumens. So the alkalines there sort of performing a little bit better as well. So yeah, definitely up to you, but yeah, I would probably just stick with the alkalines. Going to get longer run times, and yeah, you're not going to really worry about it. You can just charge those ones up or just get some new ones. Phenomenal light. I'm rating all 3 of these lights from Lumentop, the GT Nano Pro, the GT Nano, and now the PK27. They've just got a knack of making excellent, really cool looking lights that are just small, compact, and just do a fantastic job. And yeah, this is absolutely no exception. So go check out the link to the PK27 below. You can check out the whole Lumentop range from there. They make some excellent stuff, like I was saying before. But I like this one with the clicky back. These ones have sort of got that digital switch there. It's nice to know that they've sort of made one really simple, really affordable, and just a nice clicky back. That's all for this one. Please feel free to like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification because we've got new content coming out all the time. So keep yourself up to date. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll catch you on the next one.